2021 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8 blacked out edition. What we got done on it, it's got stock 4 converters, 2 here, 2 here. Then we true dualed it. It comes true dual into a factory muffler single. We just cut it off and continued the true duals all the way back into 4-inch tips rolled right there and right there, as you guys can see. That's how you true dual these Nissan Titans. And we put a Cherry Bomb Extreme dual in, dual out muffler on it. It's part number 7481CB, dual in, dual out 2.5, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Let's see what she sounds like. 1 second. Loud. You like it? Cherry Bomb Extreme. Your sound doesn't. Again. Go ahead and back it out. It's 104. But I think it's louder than that. I think it will be. There's the muffler and tailpipe cut off.